Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. I think you all must have read the chapter and done the worksheets that I have sent you. So now let us revise our chapter once again. One day, Red and Mole went to meet their friend Mr. Toad. He welcomed both of them and showed them his beautiful yellow-colored carriage. And Toad offered both of them a ride in his carriage. Red and Mole agreed, and the three friends drove through the town. On the way, passersby were amazed to see Toad's beautiful carriage. They stopped and greeted him. They were going in a carriage. Suddenly, they heard a vroom vroom sound behind them. A motor car sped past them, leaving a cloud of dust. It upset the carriage. "Hey, can't you see and drive?" shouted Red. The carriage fell into a ditch, and Red was angry. Students, please underline the word ditch and write its meaning, drainage. Red was angry, and when their carriage fell into the ditch, he shouted, "I will complain to the police." But Toad seemed to be under a spell. He found a new interest. Students, please underline the word spell and write its meaning, magical powers. When the carriage fell into the ditch, Red was angry, but Toad was not angry at all. Instead, he was so amazed, and he found a new interest. "What a glorious sight! What a magnificent thing!" said Toad. Students, please underline the word magnificent and write its meaning, grand. Toad was very impressed with the motor car. On seeing this, Mole said, "What do we do with him?" "Nothing. When he likes something, he thinks of nothing else for some time," replied Rat. "Look, Toad, you have to go to the police station and file a complaint against the driver," said Red. "Police station? Complain? Me? Complain about that wonderful motor car? Never," said Toad. Then Red said to Mole, "You see, he's quite hopeless. I give up." But Mole said, "We can't leave him here." On which Red replied, "Fine, but I will never go on a trip with Toad again." Red and Mole were talking with each other, but Toad was so obsessed with the motor car that he was not even paying attention what they were talking, and he was only and only thinking about that beautiful motor car, that magnificent motor car he just saw. And it was his new interest now. Students, I hope that you must have understand the chapter now. The story is all about Mr. Toad, who gets easily obsessed with the new things which are present around him. And his friends, Red and Mole, were tired of this habit of his. So students, I'll send you a worksheet with this video, and yes, don't forget to read the whole chapter. And in case you have any problem, you are always more than welcome to contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day.